Hi, we'd like to find the completed square form of this quadratic expression. So first we rewrite this with x, and we'll subtract the coefficient, half of the coefficient of x, which is negative 14 divided by 2, which is negative 7. We'll square all of this. Now we want to square this value here, which is minus 7, and take that away from this part here. And then we add the 30. And this can be simplified to x minus 7 or squared and minus 19. So our completed square form of x squared minus 14x add 30 is equivalent to x minus 7 squared minus 19. As a check, we can just expand this and take away or add negative 19 to it, and we should get back to where we started, x squared minus 14x add 30. Now we need to solve this equation. But if we look at it closely, x add 4 over x minus 14 over 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So certainly these two values, or these two expressions, must be equal for us to get a result of 0. So we can write that as x add 4 over x must be equal to 14 over 2x minus 1. That's the only way we can have that these two are equal to 0, one subtracted from the other. They must be equal. And we'll cross multiply, simplify, and then solve this. So we cross multiply here, we have x add 4 2x minus 1, that's equal to 14x. When we clear these brackets, it evaluates to 2x squared add 7x minus 4 is equal to 14x. And further to that, we have 2x squared minus 7x minus 4 is equal to 0. So what we've done is added 14x to both sides from here to here. I'm assuming you'll be able to clear these brackets. It's just 2x squared minus x plus 8x, which gives you 7x, and minus 4 is there. Now this is a quadratic equation, and we can solve it by finding the product AC. AC is equal to negative 8, and so we need to find two numbers when multiplied will give us negative 8, when added will give us negative 7. And the two numbers, so minus 8 and 1, that will give us minus, yes, so that will give us minus 8 as the product, and when we add this will give us the coefficient of x, which is negative 7. So we go ahead and rewrite this as 2x squared minus 8x and x minus 4 equal to 0. And this factorizes to 2x into x minus 4, add 1 into x minus 4. That's equal to, let's rewrite that, 2x into x minus 4. That will give you 2x squared minus 8x. Add x minus 4, and it is equal to 0. Now again we factorise here to give us 2x, add 1 into x minus 4, that's equal to 0. And we know if x minus 4 times 2x add 1 is equal to 0, one of these must equal to 0 at some point. So if this one is equal to 0, then we have x minus 4 is equal to 0, so x must be equal to 4. And if we assume that this one is 0, then we have 2x add 1 is equal to 0. So let's just go at 2x add 1 is equal to 0. So 2x must be equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus a half. So our two solutions are x equal to 4, x equal to negative a half. So first we started off with the principle that if one number subtracted from the other is equal to 0, then they must be equal, they must be the same number. And this is where we equate, we cross multiply and form this expression, we rearrange and then factorize this quadratic. We have two values, x equal to 4 and x equal to negative 1/2. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Alistair. If you have any questions or comments, please send them to me. Please don't forget to like, follow or subscribe for more videos like this. Bye for now.